Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilesh and you are watching Techie Programmer. So today in this video, actually I'm thinking to make some sort of vlogging on technical. So what it's basically is something like we are going to do some stuff in the day. Actually, yeah, I guess we will be choosing some projects or doing something, and then we will be adding a short clip or what we did clip, making it shortcutting those all craps out what is not necessary, and then making it a complete video. So it basically is a technical vlog wherein we are just going to explore a few things like programming, coding in electronics and all. So basically I love programming in Python and electronical stuff, so you will be mostly watching those videos on my channels. And if you like and if you want to follow along, then you can just make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification, and don't forget to like this video. So today in this video what we are going to do is going to install a language called Go. So Go is basically something like Google language, wherein it's kind of similar to C language. What really excited me about this language was I have a technical page. If you want to write some Python codes or do plug and play in your projects, then you can just check out my technical page called Techie Programmer. So I had a polling there wherein there were two languages called, one was the Python and the other was Go. So after looking at the people's reaction, so it was kind of 50-50 situation there. So it really excited me, thinking that what's there in this language. So I have now started with the language. It's that I've just started with installation. So I want to know, I want to show you how to install that if you are going with that installation. So let's move on to my screen, wherein I'll show you the installation of Go language. So that is what we are going to do today. After installation, we will be creating a Go file and run with some specific commands. So let's dive into the screen and let's see you there. So coming back to the laptop screen, now we are going to go for Safari. So let me browse Safari, and yeah, actually I had already Googled this page. So you can see this URL. I will give this in the description. What you need to do is you just need just directly navigate here, and what you need to do is coming back here, you need to look at your operating system. Like mine is Apple Mac OS, so I will download this file. I actually have downloaded this file, so what I will do is just hit here. You can see Go Darwin AMD 64. Okay, just double tap on this. Okay, it says the previous installation detected. Then I will let hit on OK. Then let me just select. Then the destination is overwritten there, and after hitting on install, it will be asking me the password for the first time, and it says preparing installation and validating packages. Let me just wait for a while. So it says installation was successful. Let us check if it has been perfectly installed. In order to check if it is installed, what you need to do is fire up your terminal. Yep, here you need to type Go version VERSION and hit enter. You can see it says Go version Go 1.14.6 Darwin / AMD 64. Okay, Go has been installed on your system. So once we have successfully installed the Go, what we are going to do is let's create a file and test it. Okay, in order to create a file, let me do something like, let me just duplicate this file, Python file. Let me get info. Okay, there is a get info here. You can see, let me just keep it here, and let me just rename this to something like not main, let me rename it as hello go. So Go is an extension, let me use it, and it is converted to Go file now, and it is on my desktop. Once we have created a file with the Go extension, we need to write other. Let me just open it with text edit. Okay, so let me just remove this Python code here, and let me go to Safari. So let me just copy this code, Command C, and let me just paste it here. So you can edit this code, click here to start typing. Okay, Okay, so this is the basic code. You don't need to worry about this. You can just copy paste this. It's just something like package is main, then import fmt. This is something input output type. Then you can created a function called main, then this is a printing line. Okay, so this is the basic code, and let me just show you how to we have created a file. Now let me show you how to run this. In order to learn this, you need to navigate to the file. Let me just navigate to the desktop first. Okay, then let me list, then let me in order to run the file, we'll type go run, and the file name is, okay, so this is how we run. Yep, this is hello, whatever we had asked it to do. And if you want to build an executable file, then you make it as go build and the file name. So we can see here there is a new file called hello go. Okay, then you can run that file from here itself, typing, actually yeah, you can see it runs, or else you can just double tap on this and it runs absolutely fine. So this is the way we install go on our computer, and then we create a go file and run the go file, and we have already checked the go have been successfully installed. If there isn't some error in your installation, do let me know in the comment section and we can try to solve that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For more particular content like this, double tap or subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next vlog. So we'll see you in the next video. So till then, stay tuned.